Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Monday, the 7th of December. So, looking at potential news today, well, of course, Brexit is hogging the limelight, and it's a game of ping pong, really, and whether anything will be sold, who knows? Which makes the pound pretty untradeable until the news comes out. It makes it very difficult, otherwise, very high risk, as there seems to be less belief that a deal will be done, although people will find out this evening whether the discussions are going to continue. The other politicians are now getting involved, but I think it's going to be a hard game of hardball, as we always thought it would be. But there we are. So aside of that, news and events out today, I'm just having a quick look here. We've got very little. It's all very low-key information and data coming out, which I don't expect anything of that to affect the markets. So, left down to technical devices. Let's look at those technicals. Now, the euro, well, Friday shoved up a little bit there, but couldn't hold on to its gains. It's made a slightly new high, a bit of divergence, weekly pivots below. Get the feeling we could be edging down towards that weekly pivot at the moment. It certainly looks soft. The trouble is it's already started off. We'll see how it runs past 8 o'clock, but I may be looking to trade back for that weekly pivot sort of zone there. At least, but as I say, I just need to see it. But at the moment, lower high, lower lows come through there, and it's just looking a bit soft where it is. Don't think that it's necessarily all over, but it certainly looks a bit soft at the moment. And of course, the euro could be strongly affected by any Brexit deal or no deal. Talking of Brexit, then the pound, and Friday we saw a zip up there, pushed into the monthly R1, and shooting star come off that. It's this morning already selling off a bit of a. There was a gap. It's filled its gap when the market's opened. Looking, as I say, looking a tad soft there, and maybe again it could be the short side this morning. But there's lots of risks in trading it because any good comment could see the pound fly. For now, though, it really does look technically soft with the lower highs coming through here. And well, it's already through its pivots there, so already through the weekly pivot, and well, heading towards S1 type area, which is a soft view. The yen's Friday gave back its gains. It's pushed back up here. The dollar's pushed back up here, back into it towards its mean. Difficult one to trade at the best times. I should just skip through that. Aussie dollar. Just looking at the Aussie dollar then, trying to pop in a lower high. It's well, it's held up stronger. It had a bad day on Friday. It's just come back to the dailies if I can. There we go. Didn't have a very good day Friday, and again it's looking a bit. Really, it looks like a sort of a risk back off this morning, and we're seeing sort of move towards the dollar overall. Consolidation, and again weekly pivot may be in play, so it's across the board, this softness. Canadian dollar, I'm just going to look at the hourly for a moment. Don't really trade this too much yet. Well, actually Canadian dollar's done slightly better in the last hour, slightly gaining slightly against the dollar here, but that weekly monthly pivot may be any reversals in target. So overall there, whole bundle of softness sort of setting up. Let's have a look at the S&Ps. Let's start from the down to daily. Pushed up, closed record highs again on Friday. Futures here, bit of a correction over the Asian session there, pushing south. We'll see its consolidation, and it looks like that's where the money may be going back into again. So I say continuing to go into S&Ps there. Oil. Just come through here and look through this. So again on Friday we saw that we got a bit of divergence going off over these high time frames. There was sort of mixed news on the OPEC sort of stuff last week, but the dollar still managed to oil still managed to push up, maybe on a soft US dollar helping the case as well though. But at the moment it's just sort of chopping, it's tight, and well, you see consolidation around these levels here. That weekly pivot that's below at 45, 50, 57 sort of area would look pretty good. Okay, that's pretty much it. There's nothing else this morning. I wish you a great day. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye for now.